That was a Friday evening. I returned from my office. As soon as I entered my house, I asked, "Hi, darling. What is the plan for weekend?" I understand your mind voice. No one in Tamil Nadu will call his wife as darling, but Toastmasters will call. Darling, honey, all this will be uttered by Toastmasters. But when I asked the question, Jayanti kept mum and she was staring at me with a blank face. Hey, Anirudh, what happened? What happened? Why Amma is not speaking? Is she upset with anything else? Anirudh immediately respond, "No, Papa. Again, I understand your mind voice. I am Appa, not Papa, but Toastmasters will call Appa as Papa." Right? Anirudh was saying, "Papa, Amma was in a hurry to go out and she was searching for her lipstick. And I thought of helping her, but instead of lipstick, I gave her Fevistick." Yes, yes. Next 2 days, Fevistick, power of Fevistick. Great. Friends, most of you know that teaching is in our family. My father was an headmaster. My mother was a postgraduate teacher. My Chittappa Chittis all were teachers. My grandpa was a teacher. My father-in-law was also a teacher. And Jayanti too started her job as a kindergarten teacher. But most of us, we moved from teaching profession to other professions. But the teaching blood in Jayanti never changed. So one day when she was the area director, she was sitting in front of the monitor and she was with a stern face, she was saying, "Get up early, brush your teeth, wash your face, comb your hair, eat your breakfast, chew slowly, but hurry, the bus is here. Look at me when I am talking. Stand up straight when you are walking. A place for everything and everything in its place. Stop crying or I'll give you really something to cry about." Hey, what's happening? What's happening? I just peeped into the monitor and found that the poor presidents of corporate clubs. Hey, Jayanti, they are not your kids and they are not your students. They are all presidents of corporate clubs. Don't try to show all your teaching business there in the Toastmasters. And whenever we go out, right, in a park or a resort, when she sees a lawn, immediately she steps on the lawn and then she will walk. Jayanti, we are not supposed to step on the lawn. Why don't you come through this pathway? Sundar, I already completed my DTM and I am allergic to pathways. I am not all comfortable with pathways. I cannot come on pathways. I will only walk on the lawns. Got the joke? Not really? Okay, let's keep on. I joined Toastmasters in 2008. For almost 4 years, I was struggling to do all my Toastmastering skills to persuade Jayanti to join Toastmasters. I tried to apply all the CC skills, persuasion, motivation, inspiration, logic, emotion, everything. Nothing worked out. And whenever I try to leave for my medley meeting, both my sons and my wife will try to put all kind of hurdles, but I never give up. I used to go heavily decked up because I used to be the president and then VP membership. I handled so many roles. I was that serious about it. But finally, my first son asked a single question. Then that transformed. That transformed the mindset to Jayanti. What was that question? "Amma, every Saturday, why Appa is so decked up? Where is he going? Is he really going to Toastmasters or somewhere else?" That question kindled a thought and that made her to join Toastmasters. From that moment on, Jayanti is following me like a bug in the Vodafone ad. Friends, so you all may think that bringing your spouse to a Toastmaster meeting in the same club may be a big challenge. But having your spouse in your club, you can do a lot of fun. And especially during a roasting contest, you can make hay while it sunshines. Over to contest master.